Photo editing is no crime, but it may feel like if you try and use a clunky software, because these things test your patience like nothing else. And even when you are trying to do a very basic task like adjusting your image's contrast. Well, today I am here to save you from all that trouble. Today I'll show you how you can easily and instantly change your image's contrast and more with Pixelied. Pixelied is a web-based design tool that has all the answers to your design needs. So to get to our editor, type in pixelied.com/upload and here we are. Now to upload our own image, you can either click on this button and select an image from your storage, or you can just drag and drop like this. Okay, so we have our image down to the Pixelied's editor. Now to increase the contrast of this image, all you have to do is to select this image and click on this button which says image effects and filters. And under the basic adjustments here, you will find the contrast slider. Now to decrease the contrast, just take it to the left, or to increase the contrast, take it to the right. And when you're here, you can also play around with a bunch of things, like you can decrease the brightness, or you can increase the saturation, and similarly you can add a hue or adjust the sharpness, vibrance, or add a blur effect to this image, or add a noise to this image, and just like that you can pixelate this image and much more. So now that you understand this, let's also see how you can add a text to this image. So go over to this text tab, and now you can either add a basic text from one of these options, or you can choose a really cool text style from down here. So it's a fairly endless library that you'll find here, and I'm sure you can find just the perfect text style to fit with your graphic. So let's say for this image I want this one, so I'll just select this and it will appear on my artboard. I can increase its size and drag it to here. So I'll change the cyber and I'll type in forest. Now to change its color, just select here, and you can either add a hex code or you can choose from these. So I'm going to select this one, and for Monday let's select the white color. Okay, and just like that we are done. Now all that is left for us to do is to download this image. So click on the download button, select a format. Let's say I want a PNG format. Just click on download again, and our image has downloaded. So this is how it looks. Alright, so we saw how easy it is to upload our image to the Pixelied editor, change its contrast, brightness, saturation, add a blur effect, add a noise, add a pixelate effect, and much more. And that's the thing about Pixelied. You can do almost everything just as easily. So go ahead to pixelied.com/upload, upload our images and make some contrasting changes to them. Also, stick to this channel and subscribe and click the bell icon because Pixelied has a lot for you in store.